Tower information, Romeo, time 1453 Zulu, wind 320 at 24, gust 30, visibility 10, skies clear, temperature 19 or dew point 13, altimeter 3007. Arnav approach, Romeo 36 left in use, notice your emission tax level closed, advised initial contact, do you have information, Romeo?
Lakefront Tower, helicopter 5360, hotel from the T hangar, like right traffic to the triangle.
Helicopter 600, reposition to the southeast triangle.
He thinks you're going that way.
At 60 Hotel, we'd like to take off and make right traffic to the southeast triangle.
Helicopter 60 Hotel, departure from not move at your own risk, use caution, lakefront altimeter 3008, wind 330 at 14, gust 20, southeast triangle.
Southeast triangle, 3008, 60 Hotel, we'll be making right traffic.
And flight 7286 to right, enable contact ground point 7.
Enable ground point.
They're hydraulics are on.
All right, wind's going to be blowing a little bit this way, which is good, so just kind of remember that.
Lookout 60 Hotel, I'm sorry, say again?
Nope. That was 31 Julian selling 360 Hotel, hello.
Alright, we got 3G, Sapatine, no WC, fuel is good for about an hour.
Good hour, yeah. Clear. Alright, I'll go straight out.
Alright, here we go.
Keep an eye on anything popping out. And I'll just jog to the grass if that happened. Straight up.
They'll be getting a lot of lifties.
That would be, we was in translift when we started the engine.
Looking good.
Tower, citation 525, Charlie Delta.
All right, there's some more flags and wind side right below us.
4 approach.
Citation 525, Charlie Delta, runway 36 left, clear to land. Traffic for the parallel Cessna on a 2.5 mile final, 1,100.
Land runway 36.
Okay, island hopping and no shit spots.
Start through your left, start your circle, change to runway 36 right, clear to land.
All right, 300 feet, there's our turn.
Right.
We just have to get this. That feels good, clear.
Wind 330 at 15, gust 20.
330, I didn't do the thing, I didn't spin that thing.
What, this or that?
This one.
I did.
Got the wind in there?
Yeah, 330, see it?
Yeah, okay. Alright, 3G, stop at T, no WCs. Where's traffic?
Keep it at 500 below and then we can go right in. All right, coming up and being the spot, you can start your landing process as we speak. All right. Remember, you're gonna slow your ground speed up tremendously. We're doing 80, 72 knots right now.
Yep.
I think you'd line up with the
just
with the walkway.
Yep. Yeah, I can see the taxiway.
Just remember, watch the poppies on this approach.
Cleared us the option way. We got a guy rolling here. What's he doing?
He's gonna turn right there.
Tango, I'd like taxi instructions, please.
Italian 77 Tango, turn right at Juliet, contact ground point 7.
Contact ground point
They
7.
redid that whole hotspot.
715.
60 Hotel, confirm clear the option, southeast triangle.
Lookout 60 Hotel, southeast triangle, clear for the option.
Clear the option, southeast triangle, 60 Hotel. Alright, a little bit of a steep
Lookout
approach.
60 Hotel, remain east of runway 36 right. Do have landing traffic, mile final Cessna.
We'll stay east of 36 right, 60 Hotel.
That's the Merlin. Okay, now I'm about 100 feet off, so that's 400 feet there. Looking good, looking good, looking good. I got the pappies right here.
Yep, I see.
Pretty much right to the wind. Push it a little bit more forward, the wind's blowing you. Now, obviously, if we're going to be doing anything weird with crosswinds, it'd be a little stiff, but other than that, it's not too bad, is it?
Nope, looking good.
Yeah.
Clear right.
Yep. I go right to the red. Here we go, one right here.
Yep, I'm on it.
Keep it east of 36 right, which is where he's getting ready to take off to Columbia.
Yep, 3 stop at T, no WCs.
Tower Sierra,
Power fuel.
Gulf Sierra, home toward 36 left, ready for departure.
Alright, here we go.
Go right to the left of the tower if you want. Good on your power.
Gulf Sierra, Lakefront Tower, fly runway heading, runway 36 left, clear for takeoff.
What side of the tower you want to go on?
Wind 330, 14, gust 20.
Clear for takeoff, 36 left, runway heading, 146 Gulf Sierra.
60 hotels on the go, option triangle.
Station 5, Charlie Delta 1 Sirius will depart prior to arrival.
5 Charlie Delta.
3 Juliet Alpha, turn right at Juliet, ground point 7.
Turn right at Juliet, turn over to ground, 3 Juliet Alpha, pick up.
Hotel Southeast Triangle, clear for the option.
For the option, Southeast Triangle, 60 hotel. That was steep. I'll try to make this more normal.
Sierra, contact departure, safe flight.
Thank you. Going departure, 6 Golf Sierra.
A little bit. Drop and drop. Drop and drive like like a door.
Is this more normal, huh?
Yeah. Going down.
Because it'll stop as soon as I slow down.
It'll drop a lot more, you know, when you get lower. That's a normal approach right there.
5 Charlie Delta, right turn, Juliet, ground point 7, have a great day.
Right, Juliet, ground point 7, thanks for your help, 5 Charlie Delta.
Like I say, obviously, if we'd be pointing in different directions, you know, you'd feel it.
Front tower, fly at runway heading, runway 36 left.
Like I say, even in that check ride we did at 30 knots, flying that damn thing all the way south, and the wind was about at 10 o'clock,
36 left,
we felt everything. The tail was bouncing. Pretty good.
I'm waiting for this guy over here. I'll fly over him.
He's going straight, just head for the jet.
That's what I'm talking about. The jet's gonna. Is he gonna go in between?
He's
going that way. He's going that way.
Land, wind 320 at 15, gust 21.
Clear land runway 36 left, 1696.
Alright, 3G Top T, no WC.
They'll let me on the go.
60 hotels on the go, option triangle.
We got 60 hotel, Southeast Triangle, clear for the option.
Up, I got him in sight.
Yep. Clear the option, 60 hotel.
And he's airborne.
Yep.
He'll overtake us, obviously. What is that? Is that a Columbia 2? Or
no, that's a Cirrus.
Cirrus.
Columbia 8 Tango Alpha, frequency change approved, safe flight.
Columbias are nice. That's a fast airplane.
Between that and the 22, and the ideas.
158 Tango Alpha, frequency change approved, safe flight.
Well, one is a 200 plus knot airplane, one is not. Cirrus are not fast.
I thought they were 200 knots.
Like 180, 170.
Okay, plus they got the parachute.
Columbia 158 Tango Alpha, Lakefront Tower.
And if Kelvin plane works out, we're going to be back at Oshkosh this year.
Good for you. You won't be as recognized because you haven't been doing as much.
I did run into somebody, though. He recognized my voice.
Departure, safe flight.
Oh, yeah.
I was in a hotel lobby. I'm like, you got to be kidding, right?
Alright, I'm going to do this one shallower.
Shallower?
Shallower. 3G Stop T, no WC.
Let's try it a little bit lower. A shallower approach.
Shallower.
That's my new term.
Shallower approach.
You remember your settlement power thing, 3? And 2030?
Yeah.
So you stick the tail into a wind, you try to land with a tailwind like this? Yeah. You will be banging this thing on the ground. There's been arguments about that.
Oh, they don't call it settlement power anymore. Now it's vortex ring state.
Well, it always is, but
separated.
settlement power is a separate term.
Right.
And that's like hot and heavy coming down and not having enough power for your weight and your speed and the way you fly it. That really is a settlement power, other than vortex ring state. You're right, both ways. Good shallow approach on. Pretty day. Look, you are not the sole person with this wind. We've been fighting this wind for 2 years.
Yeah.
So the only reason we're flying because Scotty has like 10,000 hours in tornadoes. That's why he's flying the CAP plane.
1 Lakefront Tower, flies 460 Papa Mike, visual approach 36 left.
That is 460 Papa Mike, Lakefront Tower, number 2, follow Cessna, mile final, 36 left, clear to land, wind 320 at 15, gust 21.
Okay, clear land 36 left, 0 pop Mike.
60 tails on the go. Depart the pattern to the east. VFR will stay with you.
Lookout 60 tail, eastbound departure approved. Wind 320 at 15, gust 21.
60 tail.
Some good airspeed, some good altitude, and then whenever you're ready. You're doing a whopping 27 knots to climb out.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're
60 back.
We're barely using any power.
Yep. Well, the power of Mother Nature and the wind. Just hang on to your pedals, hang on to your cycling.
What's that guy doing?
What guy?
Washing his car.
Yep. That's the wash rod. He's not supposed to wash it anywhere else but that.
Listen, all aircraft information, Sierra Lake for 8 is carrying altimeter 3010.
Top of TWC0, fuel's good for about an hour. Clear. How does it feel?
Gateway 184.
Just the fact that it's got to be in your head, that you got to wind directly into your tail rotor right now.
26 left 5 for our separation.
And you don't want to be doing anything crazy. No.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess you worry about a little bit of turbulence with mass bumping and stuff too.
Yeah. That's why, and when what makes a good pilot survive is when everything goes from sugar to shit. You're not doing this.
Right.
You're doing, you know, just your small controllable motions.
But it's 9 single pop contact.
And knowing the lag time and the time you move and time it reacts. And
There's Lincoln Beach.
yeah, they cleared out a little bit of that, but I think they got people squatting in there right now.
Have you landed there in like the last couple of years?
Within about a year ago, yeah.
In this, or I guess it'd have to be in this, huh?
Yeah, that's what the Tennessee been going, what, 3 years? 2.5 years? It's in Australia, wrangling cattle.
Go see what Six Flags. They finished up the plans for Six Flags. They've been right. They transferred control and all that now.
Yep. Not doing anything yet, but all right. Remember your tail's going into the wind, so just remember your weathercock stability. Same thing. Stay on your pedals.
Yeah, we got almost 80 knots right now. We should be pretty good. They building something here?
Where?
Yeah, Lakefront Tower, King Air 94
That clear?
Bravo is
yeah, they
right
getting all the
down
damn tires out of there. Everybody's been
There was some
dumping.
tires burning in New Orleans East the other day.
Yeah, I know.
King Air 94 Hotel Bravo Lakefront Tower, runway 36 left, clear to land. 100 jet will depart Friday arrival. Wind 330 at 15, gust 21.
That's that.
I'll do an auto.
36 left, clear to land. We'll do
Here?
for the jet.
I'd rather do one over there.
No, I mean when we go back.
Oh yeah, if you want.
Uh,
Just remember, you're not going to have a lot of glide room.
the Echo.
Yeah. That goes the old 3-1 runway, so
Oh, look how much water.
that's the lakes.
Yeah, but it looks like it's flooded over. That north part, is that always like that?
Yep.
Yeah, looks high.
It's a shame.
Pop
Just
Mike, right, Juliet,
They didn't
ground
do it
point 7,
right.
have a great day.
Yeah, pop Mike, good day.
and all of those rods probably are junk because they've been sitting there for 18
Gateway
years.
184 Lakefront Tower, 5 the runway heading, runway 36 to left, clear for takeoff, wind 320 at 15, gust 21.
36 left, clear for the wind, runway 184.
6 Airtail, 5 miles to the southeast. We're back inbound. Like to make traffic to Echo.
Lookout 60 Hotel, taxi Echo, clear to land. Lakefront altimeter 3010, wind 320 at 15, gust 21.
3010, request the option to taxiway Echo 6 Airtail.
Lookout 60 Hotel, taxiway Echo, clear for the option.
Clear the option Echo 6 Airtail. Look how nice. Houses are beautiful.
This is the old Eastover. I was looking, there was a golf course at one time, but after Katrina it went down.
Yeah, look at that.
And it's been a while since I've seen it
How
from
many
up
millions?
here.
What do you think?
How many what?
How many $1 million?
For what?
These houses.
Oh, they used to, I was doing work over there, there was probably 500,000, now they probably double or triple that.
Lakefront Tower, Baron 1895 Lima, ready at 36 left.
I'm recommending Echo. I mean, we used to do it to the triangle, but if you have you gotta realize the triangle's kind of
Lookout
soggy.
60 Hotel, remain east to runway 36 right and 36 left.
East to 36 right and 36 out, 6 Airtail.
Once you get over top of the planes, I just got it right there.
Where that Gulfstream is, or
No, those two.
I'm not picking up your
I was started right there.
I didn't hear.
Recycle.
All right, 3G stop TW South. Fuel's good. Clear, clear, clear. All right, whenever you're ready.
Let's wait a second to.
Get right pedal in. Right pedal. Power in. Level settle pull. Obi-Wan has taught you well.
Alright, let's do one more.
Where were we? Alright, the edge of the, this side of the hangar. I just want to get an idea
Right turn, Juliet,
how far we went.
Have a great day.
Everything looked good.
Right turn, Juliet, ground, good day.
Alright, we got 20 knots just sitting here.
Yep.
60 tells on the go, option echo.
Got 60 tail, taxi echo, clear for the option.
Taxi echo, clear the option, 60 10. Alright, got the twin on rollout.
That's a King Air 90.
That your boy?
Don't think so.
Does he have a King Air 90?
Yeah, but there's a lot of them out there. If that's the Ninja, that's him, but no, it's the wrong color. Okay, now in November, 111 Juliet Alpha. It looks like Ninja. Felt comfortable?
Yeah.
Did get the left in a little bit quicker. That's about it. Other than that, everything else felt good. Introduce top of DWC. Our fuel is good for about another hour. Clear, clear, clear.
Yeah, maybe too much pull, which got the low rotor RPM, so.
You were still in the green now.
Yeah, I could have managed it a little bit better, though.
Remember, me and you talked about it. You
Yeah.
live in the green if we want to extend, right? We
Right.
get the 90 knots, which we had trouble doing.
Right.
Get the 90 knots or whatever and extend it, and you'd be right at the bottom of the green, and you get, what, an extra 50 to 100 yards?
Yep.
If need be.
Alright, 3G stop T, no WC. We are cleared the option. A little bit more knots. We'll pick it up in the turn.
Lake 1 Tower, Baron 555, Romeo Alpha over, ready to go, 36 right.
Baron 555, Romeo Alpha, Lakefront Tower, proceed right on course, runway 36 right, clear for takeoff, wind 330 at 16.
5 Romeo Alpha, clear for takeoff on course.
Lookout 60 tail, taxiway echo, clear for the option 1 departure from runway 36 left, correction 36 right, Baron.
60 Tail cleared the option, 36 right, traffic in sight. Got the Baron taking the runway.
Yeah. All right, 3 up TW South, fuel's good for about an hour. Clear, clear, clear. See, we started about, that was about maybe a 200 foot,
right.
200 foot. It's a bump. There you go. Watch your speed. Up a little bit, there you go, hold it right there. We're gonna ride it all the way down. Good, looking good. Come to the left a little bit, case. All right, start your flare. Roll your power in the flare. Roll the power in. Level settle pull. Damn, that was not much at all.
Yeah.
That might be 100 yards. Maybe 100 and maybe 150.
Yeah.
Because we actually finished about past that hangar last time. That was good though.
Alright, well I'm good if you're good.
Yep, just be cautious on your, I mean, we can go around a trip one more time, or you can try to hover taxi, whatever you want to do.
Let's do one normal pattern to the echo. Or
to the non-moving area.
60 Tails on the go option. Will be a full stop to the non-movement area on this pattern.
Lookout 60 tail, roger, landing non-movement air, bitch on wrist. Use caution, lakefront altimeter 3010, wind 320 at 16.
3010 to the non-movement area, 60 Tail.
You get, well, you got 4 approaches, 4 or 5 approaches in, couple autos in. Nice smooth movements on the controls.
Yep. Now we just gotta land.
In a decent wind. Yeah, let's see if we can get a damn thing on the ground now.
Yeah, let's see if we can actually land the thing.
Lookout 60 tail, just want to verify you going back to the non-movement where you came from.
60 Tail A firm to the T hangars.
Right.
Yeah, is Lawrence working today?
No, sir.
Hallelujah.
Every
Lakefront
time.
Tower, Mini 67
Every
on
time.
our uniform, ready for takeoff, 36 left.
2679 uniform.
There's your Civil Air Patrol plane.
36
He's going back
left.
to the
Takeoff, wind 320 at 15.
Just canceling the rest of this stuff
Clear
today.
takeoff, 36 left, runway
mean,
heading, Mini
You got these
uniform.
teachers coming in
Stand 5 Romeo.
that we do.
Change of
You want them to
previous
have a
flight.
good experience. You don't want them to be bouncing up there with turbulence and stuff.
Thank you.
Same thing with the cadet flights that we do. All right, start dropping it.
So that whole, I guess it is, it's got an X on it, so that's a non-movement area.
Yes.
No kidding. I was wondering when we drove on it, I'm like, oh, I hope this
Well,
is
now,
legal.
remember, years ago, like 50 years ago, this was runway 3113, and that was the taxiway for it. You know, so they just made this a non-movement area, just like on that side of Foxtrot.
So we can land on it and use it to park and all that, and nobody gets mad at you.
Yep. Drive on it with your car.
Yeah, send me that link.
I will.
I'd like to fly more than once every 3 months.
Sure. This is the only thing you're flying now, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it feels good to fly.
Just watch the winds coming this way from around the buildings.
Yeah, that's the part I hated about the T-hangars was that.
Like I said, I mean, you can put it wherever you're comfortable at. That car can move it. If you want to see how good you are, I'll be with you. Go ahead and get it up right here and do us a 90-degree turn to the left. And that way we just go straight back. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Just hang on to your pedals.
Good day, Mini 99 uniform.
Thanks, you too.
You always get the LT, just never lose it. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Alright, kind of hold it right there and then ease it down. You are the master of the aircraft.
Lakefront Tower, Bear 4462 Sierra, RNAV 36 left, full stop.
Excellent.
4462 Sierra Lake.
Roll it off, click on the, click off the,
32015.
Oh, you know what? I forgot the landing light.
60 Sierra.
Actually, it's never required. I don't think it's required for landing helicopter.
It's a good idea every time you're below 10,000 for visit.
Might be on the AIM, but I don't think it's in the rigs. Alright, keep it about 70, or just above 70 for the cool down, and you'll get that shake out of the airport.
Alright, how we do?
On one auto rotation, you didn't get the pedal in quick enough. Other than that, everything was near perfect. All the approaches were, the two autos that we did were, even going, in other words, heading due east with a wind directly out of the north, right to the tail rotor. No issues on that. When you made your turn with the tail rotor, tailwind into the tail rotor, everything was fine. In other words, just getting back comfortable again. It's been almost 3 months, and you're right back in the saddle.
Alright, well, we got our drop.
You can continue from here, give it about another minute, and go ahead and do your shutdown procedure, and I'll go get all the equipment, okay?
Copy. Thanks, Lester.
All right.
Alright, well that was a quick flight, but good. Yeah, I've got a lot going on. It's been tough to get out here. There's been just a lot going on. So it's good to get back in the air. We'll do some more flights like this. You guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.